I am Soner Hacihaliloglu, the CEO and co-founder of PONS. Our technology is focused on specifically mobile ultrasound imaging. If you think about the existing healthcare that we have is highly centralized. Low-income families, people living in rural areas, they don't have access to regular imaging. If you make medical imaging accessible in a decentralized way, bringing specifically ultrasound to the mass market for preventive monitoring, that will save lives and that will also reduce the time of the treatment, and that is our mission. My co-founder is also my twin brother, Professor İlker Hacihaliloglu, and the whole technology is based on his research. We lost our father due to chronic disease, heart disease, and late diagnosis. And that was actually the reason why we especially focused on early stage disease progress. The whole concept is based on how we can provide this technology to people that doesn't have the either financial or geographical reach to hospitals or to continuous monitoring. There are a lot of technologies that are using other tools for generating data. It can be blood, it can be others. But we see that ultrasound imaging is the only technology that you can first make it really small, make it mobile. Think of PONS and our AI-driven technology like a mobile phone that you take selfies. So it is as easy as taking a selfie. You just need to use a small handheld unit, hold it on your body, and it navigates the user to the right spot. Everything that is collected through the ultrasound scan is directly shared with their doctor. That will close the gap between accessibility and also between early stage monitoring and early stage diagnostics. Last year, we conducted a survey with the patient groups, and 80% of the responders said, yes, instead of trying to go to the hospital, try to make an appointment, I would rather have someone come to my home or me using an ultrasound if my doctor prescribes imaging and if the results are medically acceptable. So that was one of the things that was really a surprising outcome, but also encouraging as well, seeing that people are moving into that direction. In medical field, it's extremely important to be together with key decision makers in the field, either it's on the provider side or either it's on the care services provider side, like in case of HTech. I think one of the biggest advantage working with HTech Collaborative, you will get valuable information on how you should develop your product and how that fits into HTech network and HTech market. For example, the survey I mentioned, they helped us to build that survey, the interviews. That's an extremely big help for startups to get so much deep dive information from different levels. That is kind of extremely valuable for us. That's also something that pushes us to make a real impact and difference in the lives of those people as well. Our ultimate goal is to bring ultrasound in such level that it will become affordable and accessible to all. It will make a huge difference for developing drugs or treatments for certain cancer cases as well.